How to fix your Instagram DM not loading. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data in your control center. If that is not the case, you can simply try force closing your Instagram application by swiping from the bottom of your screen and simply go ahead and reopen it. Sometimes what happens is that Instagram servers could be down. You can go to downdetector.com and search for Instagram to see if there are any problems with the servers. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go to Settings, App, Instagram, and simply go ahead and clear cache. Always make sure that you have the latest version of your Instagram application installed. You can go to your App Store or Play Store to check if there are any updates available. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and try restarting your phone, or you could also try logging out and logging back in. Always check your message request, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.